Hi guys, let's do this. The graph of the function f of x is equal to, I cut this off, it's going to be a, up here, where a, b are integer constants, has removable discontinuities, holes at the points -1, y1, and 4, y2, and a vertical asymptote at x is equal to k. The quantity k, y1, y2 is p over q, where p and q are positive integers, no contact is greater than 1. P plus q. Okay. Three pieces of information we need to find. We need to somehow find how they're related so we can reduce the necessity of the information or find the solutions from our equation. Okay, vertical asymptote at x is equal to k. So that means that 0 is equal to, plug k in there, k plus 5 plus b over k plus 1, where k does not equal -1. That's our first hole. And our second hole is when this is equal to this, I think. Or maybe it's when this is equal to this. I don't know. Okay, let's see. Multiply by k plus 1 probably. We got 0 is equal to k squared plus 6k plus 5 plus b. So when we get our solution for k here, then we know. I'm thinking, if we put -1 in here, we got 1 minus 6 plus 5, so this is 0, so then we get b is equal to 0. I don't think that is possible. Yeah, it isn't. So b does not equal, b doesn't equal 0 because I guess k doesn't equal -1. Okay, let's try to solve it the other way. Or let's get our other information. We know vertical asymptote. Oh, wait, what am I talking about? This. Huh? Has removable discontinuities holes at the points. So when x is equal to -1, I'm confused about how this works. Because I'm thinking when x is equal to -1, these two are just both equal to 0. But I don't know how that must cancel out somehow. Maybe I should combine the top and bottom. We get x squared plus x plus a over x plus 1 all over x squared plus 5x plus b over x plus 1. Then if we cancel these out for the whole, we just get x squared plus x plus a over x squared plus 5x plus b. And that's our vertical asymptote right there. X squared plus 5x plus b, k squared plus 5k plus b has to also equal 0. In addition to this, so maybe we should just, can we subtract these? We get, so I think these are two different equations that both give us information. So if you subtract these, this minus this, at k squared is 0, then we get k plus 5 is equal to 0. So k is equal to -5. Whoa. Whoa. So k is equal to -5. Now we just need y1 and y2. Oh, if we have k is equal to 5, we can find b. If k is equal to -5, we can find b. We get 0 is equal to 25 minus 30 plus 5 plus b. So here we get b is equal to 0. Huh. That wasn't allowed though. That's scary. 25, yeah, p is equal to 0. Oh my gosh. Okay, maybe b is equal to 0. Let's say b is equal to 0. Nothing says it has to be positive or anything. So right now we know we don't know what a is equal to. We know b is equal to 0. We know k is equal to -5. We don't know what y1 or y2 are equal to. So now we need to find when x is equal to -1. We eliminated the discontinuity, so this should be easy. We just get 1 minus 1 plus a over 1 minus 5 plus b. B is 0. So we get a over -4. What's a? Okay, a over -4, I guess. Okay, now when we put 4 in, we get 16 plus 20 plus a. Over 16 plus... No, I did that wrong. 16 plus 4 plus a and 16 plus 4 plus b, which is 0. So we get 20 over 20 plus a over 36. Okay, so we somehow need to find a. Oh, huh. Vertical asymptote won't help us at all. Holes. I don't know where we can see the first or the second hole in this equation. Maybe it's I bet it's where this equals this. So we have 4 plus a over 5 is equal to like 4 plus 5 plus 0 because it's b over something. So then we get a is equal to, that's 9 minus 4 is 5 is 25. So our solution is going to be -5 times 25 over 4. I'm going to get rid of the negatives because it's just the absolute value. Times 20 times 45 over 36. Take out 9 here, we get 5 and 4. So we get 5 times 125, so 625 over 16. I'm so do not think this is correct, because I don't think b would equal 0, but this isn't our answer. And then p plus q is equal to 635, 641. Let me check. I don't know why I did that. I said that they just have to equal each other, but I know when there's a hole like this, they both have to equal 0. So I definitely didn't get this right. But I could have done it much simpler if I just said, oh, x, if I put in 4 plus a over 5 is equal to 0, and 4 plus 5 plus b over 5 is equal to 0. And then we solve for a and b, and then we can solve probably for, I'd probably solve for k from that because I know b, and I'd probably solve for y too. But yeah, I could have done that so much easier. Man, if only I'd figured if I had not made a silly mistake there. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.